Faith.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Where are you coming from? Where are you going to?
I went to see a friend, so I'm going home now.
Oh yeah, now, later now.
Wait now. When did you come back?
Before yesterday.
Wow. You're not looking bad.
You started again though. Thank you.
I've been asking you out for more than 3 years now. This is New Year. What's up? So how far now your boyfriend now?
I don't have boyfriend though. Boyfriend care.
You don't have boyfriend?
I don't have
So that's one ticket opportunity now. Come on now. For 3 years now.
Alright now. Like I'll give you a chance this New Year. Let's start something new. You know now.
You give me?
A chance.
You give me a chance?
Yes now.
This New Year is getting good already.
So now we are now boyfriend again?
Yes now.
Hey. So
you know what?
When are you coming to my place?
Probably when I come back from where I'm going to. So I'll come and check on you.
You're going somewhere now?
Yes.
Yeah. You still remember my place now?
Yes now, I know them. So I'll come and see you later.
Alright now.
Hey.
Yes!
You are a mumu man. You are a mumu.
This time when you just happy like this, you won't jackpot.
This New Year, 2021, it doesn't make sense already.
Oh, but make a good reach my side though.
You see that girl out on the axe house? We did all that street.
Which one for inside?
Don't know the axe house for 3 years now.
So you get the money.
Faith!
That
Oh God, you Savia.
Jesus, that Ubre.
What's not agree? Don't meet now for outside. I just tell her this, that. Now she say yes. Hey,
That one a New Year jackpot.
it shocked me. 3 years.
It's your poo.
I'm not going to be toast for the past 6 years. Make it give me. I know why you make. I just. You give me.
You just end up your bad locks have been erupting.
I forget that thing. I tell you, I get back.
The expect visitor.
No, Bob, I don't expect anybody.
Come in.
Hi. Thank you. Haiko, what's up?
You didn't go where you're going again.
No, I didn't go again. I changed my mind. Hi.
You are a mumu man.
And you came with bag.
Yes, my clothes for sleepover. Spending the night empty.
What are you doing there?
I'm looking at your phone.
Why?
I'm waiting for the first person that is going to text you this morning, so I will see.
Nobody will test me now.
Let me see.
Why? Did you sleep at all? You did not sleep. Because you want to check who would
Text you first.
Okay. Don't go and sleep. What kind of relationship is this one? You are a mumu man. You not sleep. You want to see who text me first. You are a mumu man.
Run.
Babe, I'm coming.
Where are you going to?
I want to see my friend down the streets.
A friend.
It's my friend now. I'm not going to waste time.
No wahala. See your phone.
My phone. How did you get it?
Okay. I've installed the tracker on your phone, so anywhere you're going to, you're safe. You're free to go.
Yeah! You installed tracker in my phone. What phone now?
Do you have a problem with that? See, just go. Say you want to go and see your friend, or you don't want to go. Come and sit down.
I'm going.
You can go now. And please come back on time. In fact, 1 hour.
What are you doing at the back of the door?
Is this not our house?
Yeah! You are a mumu man. Our house?
Yes, now. Okay, where are you coming from?
Didn't I tell I was going to see my friend?
Let me see your phone.
What for?
Shall you show me your phone or you go back? What's this?
Yeah!
Who did you hug?
Did I hug Al?
This perfume now, this particular perfume, is for a lady. Eh? Don't worry. What are you looking at? I'll go inside. I'll sit here.
You are a mumu man. Give me my phone now.
Go inside. I'm sitting here. Go inside.
No.
Or you want to go back?
You are a mumu man. You are a mumu man. Why are you not sleeping?
I'm watching you.
You are watching me.
Yes, I always watch my man when he's sleeping. Yeah! I'm watching you. Continue sleeping.
So you will not sleep? I'm here. There's no other lady here. Eh? It's just me and you. It's late. I can't go out. Okay, just sleep small, please.
Okay.
Why is your eyes open? Yeah!
How are you going
I'm going to bed. You are a mumu man.
Oh, sorry. Don't cry.
How many times would they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not for you? Sorry, oh, may God not allow them, make them kill you.